The Martin Complex at North Carolina A&T is a 130,000 square foot facility that will allow collaborations to be able to be deepened between companies, between other universities and A&T, between the community and A&T, and certainly between the faculty and researchers across North Carolina A&T, so that we're able to stay at the cutting edge of bringing about developments in many areas: cybersecurity, autonomy, healthcare applications, and certainly making sure that the students of the university also have access to maker spaces that are allowing them to continue to build their muscle of innovation.
When you travel down Market Street going east in Greensboro, you will come up on a beautiful metal, red, brown clad building with beautiful glazing in front of that particular facility that rises 4 stories high. This building actually personifies the beauty of Eastern Greensboro and the beauty of North Carolina A&T.
There are sizable intermediary spaces where the hallways are wider and there appears to be more open space. And there are multiple ideation rooms. The Martin Complex was designed to be an innovation ecosystem. And in doing so, we thought carefully about not only what was going to go inside the space, but the adjacencies inside of those spaces. And by doing that, we allowed the Martin Complex to be designed for innovative research in cybersecurity, autonomy, energy and sustainability, and healthcare applications. And it's also designed to cultivate even more partnerships and collaborations.
Here, we actually try to use this smart and open lab concept. So to promote the multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, and collaborative research. So it may happen that since you're going to use an open space, so we can see what other faculty members are doing, and we'll be able to collaborate with them, and maybe the students of another faculty member can also try to learn more about another research areas, and it will definitely increase the multidisciplinary research and increase the collaboration.
What excites me most about the Martin Complex is the ability for students, faculty, and staff to interact in their research projects. We have the opportunity for students not only to be in the labs and work on the projects, but outside the labs. They can look into the labs and they can learn. Then we have opportunities for them to use the technology to present it to other students.
It is a cutting-edge facility, and the reason why that's important is that our fields are really changing so quickly. And so it's very important that the spaces in which the students are learning in and that the faculty and the students are conducting research within are also keeping pace and being ahead of the curve in terms of what they are enabling to happen.
What we call ERIC is our Engineering, Research, and Innovation Complex. To date, this has been the most exciting, the complex, and technology-driven project that we have constructed and completed on our campus.
The ERIC forms a nucleus for students, faculty, industry, and community partners for cutting-edge research and education activities.
I strongly believe that facilities at ERIC will promote the inclusive campus climate and will give us a positive impact on student and faculty success.
When ERIC is actually fully completed, you'll notice that it puts on display the energy of cooperation and vibrancy that exists throughout North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University.
The state-of-the-art infrastructure at the ERIC, specifically the High Bay area, forms a basis in which students can take concepts from the ideation stage, prototyping, testing, all the way to product launch.
In this High Bay laboratory in ERIC buildings, so we're gonna establish a telepresence system. That means in the very high areas, we don't have to directly go there to catch and to feel and to investigate what is going on. Instead of that, we can make this intelligence system with the robotics and the image processing combined with artificial intelligence and machine learning. That means we can see and investigate what is going on in the remote area, and we can interact with the robot is already present there.
Our research capabilities at ERIC is categorized into 6 categories. For example, IoT, cyber physical systems, we have biometric authentication, AI, cloud computing, software-defined networking. So our faculty member will be able to do research and collect data in all these areas.
The state-of-the-art 3D metal and ceramic printer in the ERIC will provide the students with a technology where they can build functional products such as hip and knee joints for biomedical applications, also aerospace nozzles as well as automotive parts, thereby enabling them an immersive and a industrial experience.
In this area, this huge and high bay area, then we can combine these multiple systems, and including the human. There is a human and the robots and advanced sensor. Then this is a unique area. We can put them all together and think about this new idea and how we can implement this new idea on the actual system.
The Harold L. Martin Sr. Engineering Research and Innovation Complex is really a hub of innovation. It is and allows to be on display all and so much of the wonderful research that has been ongoing, not only in the College of Engineering at North Carolina A&T, but all across our campus. It does end up serving as just one example of being able to have you be able to see some of that exciting research that we conduct here on our campus. We're excited about the partnerships that we already have, and we're very excited about how those will deepen and grow in the future because of how the Martin Complex has been designed.
We believe right now, as we constructing this facility, that this facility is a beacon of light, not only for Greensboro, but also Eastern Greensboro and what it's doing for the community.